In the early days of JavaScript, files were tiny. A little script here, a DOM manipulation there, nothing too complex. But the web grew up. What we used to call websites, we now call web apps. And some of these apps are massive bundles of JavaScript that download and run entirely in the browser. Managing all of that code across one giant file is impossible. That's why JavaScript needed a module system. A module is just a way to split your code across multiple files and control what each file shares with the rest of the codebase. You export what you want to share, you import what you need. There are two module systems you'll encounter. CommonJS, which came with Node.js and uses require and module.exports, and ES6 modules, the modern standard, which uses import and export. Both do the same job, but ES6 modules are now the standard across browsers and backend runtimes like Node, Bun, and Dino. So unless you're working in a legacy codebase, ES6 modules are the way to go. Split your code, export what's needed, import what's not. That's modules.